Running email campaigns without using reports is like navigating a ship through fog without a compass or GPS. You might be moving, but you have no clear idea of where you're headed or if you're staying on course. In practical terms, email marketing reports track key metrics like open rates. Who finds your proposal valuable enough to open the email? Click-through rates or CTR. Tell you which parts of your emails are getting the most attention. Conversion rates. Who's taking action like signing up for a demo or making a purchase? Unsubscribe rates, for whom your emails became unimportant or too annoying. Bounce rates, which emails didn't get delivered. As data-driven marketers, we can use these parameters as a source of valuable information. They not only indicate whether the message was received, but also whether it resonated and led to conversions. In essence, email marketing reports are not just a collection of numbers. They serve as your strategic playbook. They show you what's effective and what's not, allowing you to concentrate your marketing efforts on strategies that drive results. For example, if users frequently open your product tutorials, it indicates that they value continuous education. Therefore, you can invest more in similar content to maintain their loyalty. Popular marketing email platforms like MailChimp or Klaviyo have internal analytics, but sometimes they lack a preferable data hierarchy for marketers or hide some parameters like 7 clicks away. In this case, a custom email marketing dashboard in Looker Studio is a great way to monitor various KPIs, organize information, and share it with stakeholders. Let's explore some of the best examples from the Coupler.io dashboard library. Let's take a look at this Looker Studio dashboard for Klaviyo. It provides a high-level overview of key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates in the form of funnels and scorecards. You can track your overall efforts in email marketing or separate them by campaign. The following graph will help you identify the best and worst days and weeks for your emails. With this information, you can adjust your campaign settings to effectively reach and engage more customers. Here's the data for the recent campaigns. Customers seem to consider VIP in the subject line a sign of spam. This is a tiny but valuable detail. Another insight is that the more specific the message is and the bigger the sale though, the better the open rate and CTR, and vice versa. If the message is too abstract and the benefits are unclear, customers don't want to open that kind of email. This dashboard also has separate tabs dedicated to the subscriber base. Understanding where your customers are from will help you use the right cultural references in email copy, align special offers with local holidays, or find the right time to send your emails. This dashboard is available for free and can be set up within minutes. Simply follow the instructions provided in the README section. I'll leave the link in the description. You can benefit even more by integrating your marketing email platform data, in this case, MailChimp, with website behavior data like page views, conversions, and session duration from Google Analytics. This helps build a more detailed profile of your customers and their behavior across different touchpoints, and understand the revenue you get from your email marketing efforts. You can also get an overview of the key metrics used to analyze email campaign performance and the traffic they generated in detail. Scroll down to identify the most successful landing pages based on traffic, engagement, purchases, and revenue. These insights will help you detect the best and worst performing pages and develop strategies to improve the conversion rates of poor performers. Analyze the performance of each email campaign. The table allows you to determine the number of users acquired, engaged, and the revenue generated by your campaigns. Understand how well your email campaigns engage users. The information collected from MailChimp lets you assess each campaign's success and issues. This dashboard template is also free. Check the link in the description. If you prefer Klaviyo over MailChimp, there is a dashboard for this platform too. It looks and works exactly the same, and it's free too. Check out the link in the description. If you need to export data from your email marketing to another platform, Coupler.io can help you. Sign up for a free account and select from spreadsheets, BI, data visualization services, or data warehouses. You can combine them with the data from GA4, e-commerce platforms, and historical data stored in JSON. Go to Coupler.io to learn more. And that's it. You can now set up one of the dashboards seen earlier. All links are in the description below. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.